Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to extract emails from a Gmail download using a Python script. Don't worry if you're new to this. I'll guide you through every step. All the links and detailed instructions will be in the description below, so let's get started. First, you need a code editor, and Visual Studio Code, or VS Code for short, is perfect for this. It's free and easy to use. To get started, go to the official Visual Studio Code website. The link is in the description below. Download and install the version that matches your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Once you've got it installed, go ahead and open Visual Studio Code. Now that you've got VS Code open, we're going to create a new Python file. To do this, click on File in the top menu, then select New File. Save this file with a .py extension. You can name it something like mailboxextracter.py. This is where we'll be writing and running our Python code. Next, we need to install a couple of packages that our script will use to handle the email extraction. In Visual Studio Code, open the terminal by clicking on View in the top menu, and then Terminal. In the terminal that opens up at the bottom of the screen, type the following commands one by one. After each command, press Enter. The first command is pip install pandas, and the second command is pip install openpyxl. These commands will install the necessary libraries we need for our script. Now it's time to write our Python script. I've already written the code for you. You can find it in the description below. Go ahead and copy that code, then paste it into the .py file you created earlier in VS Code. Once you've pasted the code, you'll need to update one thing: the path to your .mbox file. This is the file that contains your Gmail data. Look for the line in the script that says mbox path, and update it to point to where your .mbox file is located on your computer. For example, if your .mbox file is in your Downloads folder, the line should look something like this: mbox path equals rc users, your username, downloads, your mbox file.mbox. Just replace your username and your mbox file with the actual names on your computer. All right, we're almost there. Now we just need to run the script. To do this, open the command prompt on your computer. On Windows, you can do this by pressing the Windows key plus R, typing CMD, and pressing Enter. On Mac OS or Linux, just open the terminal application. In the command prompt or terminal, navigate to the directory where you saved your .py file and the .mbox file. You can do this using the cd command. For example, if both files are in your Downloads folder, you'd type cdc users, your username.downloads. Once you're in the right directory, you can run the Python script by typing python mailboxextracter.py. Then hit Enter. The script will start running. Depending on the size of your mbox file, it might take a few minutes, so just be patient. When the script is finished running, you'll find two new files in the same folder where your .mbox file is located. One file will be a .txt file containing all the extracted emails. The other will be an .xlsx file, which is an Excel spreadsheet with the same emails. These files contain all the unique email addresses extracted from your Gmail download. And that's it. You've successfully extracted emails from your Gmail download using a Python script. Remember, all the code and detailed steps are in the description, so if you get lost, just refer back to this guide. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Links and resources are provided in the description below.